check our XCMG crawler crane working in project site.
Hello, this is Engineer Sanwar Hussain from Earthmoving Solution Limited, Bangladesh, and welcome to you all the 4th XCMG International Customer Festival. Our XCMG crane playing vital role with the infrastructure development of Bangladesh. Right now, we are at 1,320 megawatt thermal power plant at Rampal, where our XCMG500 ton crawler crane is working. As a mid-tonnage flagship product, XGC500 has many advantages such as wide range working condition, excellent lifting capacity, strong side adaptability, convenient disassembly assembly and easy maintenance, etc. XGC500i has strong carrying capacity. The maximum torque is up to 2,200 Newton meter thanks to bench 360 high power engine. International famous brand Rexroth hydraulic system is more reliable. The cab is equipped with adjustable seat, all kind of ergonomic design, instrument and controls. The vent type of air condition, stereo and obviously the spacious and comfortable. When the crane is in operation, the cabin can turn into the upward to widen the vision of field. When the crane is in transportation, the cabin turn into front side to reduce the transportation weight. The safety protection device is consist of load moment indicator, tricolor lamp, angle indicator, boom limit, height limit switch, hydraulic backstop, two-way valve protection, hydraulic overflow valve protection, as well as the load indicator. We assure you the best quality product with service all the time. If you are interested, you can book our crawler crane. So what are you waiting for? Thank you, XCMG, for your success.